In this video, you will learn how to change Outlook theme on Mac. So if you want to change the theme for Outlook app on Mac, this is the video you need to watch. Hey guys, I'm Rahul from Tech Review Pro, and without any further delay, let's learn how to change the theme for Outlook on Mac. In order to change the Outlook theme on Mac, what you have to do is you have to first of all open Outlook app on your Mac, and once you open Outlook, next you have to go to Outlook settings, and for that you have to just click on Outlook menu that you see here in the top left corner, and after that you get these options, and among these you have to click on settings. You may also use command and comma simultaneously to go to settings. We will click on settings, and after that you will see these options, and among these you have to go to appearance, and that will allow you to change the theme for Outlook app on your Mac. And as you can see here, we have got multiple options here for the theme, and we may choose from any of the colors that are available here, and that will reflect the change here as well for the theme. And you may also select any of the images like this. So you may play around with any of your selections, and once you have made the selection, after that you have to just go back and that change will be saved. As we close out here, you can see the new theme has been set here on the Mac. So this way you may change the Outlook theme on Mac. I hope you found this video helpful. And by the way, if you want to learn how to set up Outlook on Mac, make sure you tap here to watch this video. I'm Rahul signing off, and I'll see you in the next video.